Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in a shape using Canva, which is a valuable skill for creating visually engaging designs. Whether you're crafting a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, knowing how to place text creatively can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in and explore how to achieve this in just a few simple steps. First, after logging into your Canva account and opening a new design, you want to direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find various tools and features that Canva offers. We need to focus on the Elements tab, so go ahead and click on it. This essentially opens up a treasure trove of graphical elements that you can incorporate into your design, ranging from lines and shapes to illustrations and icons. Next, once you are in the Elements section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Here, we're going to type in the word shape. Doing this will provide you with a number of shape options to choose from. Canva offers a wide variety of shapes, circles, squares, triangles, and more intricate forms, allowing you to select something that best suits your design, theme, and purpose. Now, with your list of shapes in hand, take a moment to scroll through and select the shape that appeals to you. Once you found the perfect shape, click on it, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. You can easily resize or reposition the shape by clicking and dragging the corners. This flexibility ensures your shape fits perfectly within the existing design layout or serves as a frame for your text. Following the selection of your shape, the next step is to add text. Click inside the shape you've placed on your canvas. This action activates the shape as a text box, allowing you to immediately start typing your content. Consider what message or information you want to convey and type it within the boundaries of the shape. Canva makes it incredibly intuitive. Whether it's a single word or a full sentence, the text will adjust itself within the shape. Lastly, don't forget about customization options. Canva provides a plethora of design tools above your canvas where you can adjust the font style, size, color, and alignment of your text. This ensures your design is not only functional, but also visually pleasing. Play around with these settings to see what looks best within your chosen shape. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly integrate text into shapes using Canva, adding a creative flair to your designs. This technique can transform the look and feel of your visuals, making them stand out. Practice it a few times and soon you'll be designing like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy designing.